Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content. So last Fine Art Friday I finished up my little mini series on cats by drawing a white charcoal kitty on some black paper in just reverse lighting silhouette. So if you missed that video and would like to see how it turned out, click on the link above. So now I thought I would go on to do another little mini series. So one of the things I do have a bit of challenge with drawing, or actually watercoloring, is flowers. For some reason I just can't make them look realistic. They always look kind of cartoony. So I thought I would try my hand at doing an expressive watercolor picture of a flower with a little ladybug on it for summer. So if you want to see how I make out with that, let's get started.